are getting ready for day 24. Everybody's up. Got to sleep in this morning. Slept until 7. We're off again. It's actually day 25. And I have removed whatever I could out of this backpack. And it's very, very lightweight now. Pretty much all that's in there is a poncho, first aid kit, and a charge cord. So let's see how today goes. We only have 13 kilometers. We have to find coffee because this albergue doesn't have any. Coming up, and we found coffee, which is the most important thing. Oh, sorry, I just saw these flags. Just wondering what these flags were. They're kind of cool. I'm not sure what they mean, but cool. Oh my God, yay. Oh, it's warm in here too. Zelensky presented today his plan for peace.
De máxima 16 y 17 grados solo. De máxima. Mínima 5.
Oh my God, here.
Frío.
Oh my God.
Así que mis huesos, voy encogida. Luego me voy a aspirar y digo, ay, si se me cruje todo. Del dolor.
Yeah, the host at the albergue actually works here at the restaurant a few hundred meters away. So she was telling us how the temperature is real cold in these parts. Her name is Charo, and she's very amicable. We're just chilling and slowly sipping our coffee because we only have 13 kilometers today, which is wonderful.
It's cold outside.
It's a little cold outside. There's Charo. She was funny. Port here. I think we're this day right here. Now we're just gonna find the trail. I think it's that way. These birds here, top of this church. Let's go around this street here, see if we can get closer. Okay, we're getting a little closer, and you can see the nests up here. So these pigeons are interlopers who have taken the summer nest of the crane, because usually there's big cranes in those nests. So they're just squatters at this point. That's cool.
That's what my sister, she said, you have a lagoon just beside you.
And then we have a lagoon.
Just beside your albergue.
Just beside our albergue, which is way over there. And our albergue is called La Laguna.
Yeah.
And in the middle of the Meseta, you have this lagoon.
Yeah, my sister told me that.
Beautiful. Everybody's out for their morning spin. There they go.
There you go.
These are all the birds. There they go. They're going back. Ha ha. Again, we've run into some shoulder problems, so we kind of attached this to the fanny pack and my right shoulder, so we'll see how it goes. Otherwise, I'm just gonna have to, I might get a lighter day pack. Because this one's not lightweight.
You can take mine also.
And then, yeah. But we only have like 10 more kilometers to go today.
Yeah.
I might be okay. I do feel the weight on my right shoulder though. Oh, there's a two. There he is.
Another pocket we can put.
Hold on. We took that off the shoulder. That didn't last not even a foot before we decided, now let's just put all the weight on the fanny pack. Like a big giant, fanny pack. Or bum bag, as they say in England. Okay, we'll see how that goes. Right now it's just kind of like a 10-pound bum bag.
Yeah.
That's okay. Maybe Francine's just going to check out the woods and do a little recon. Maybe. I'm waiting to get to this next town. It's called Villa Marco. There. Here's the sign that says Villa Marco. And it's off the track by about, I don't know, half a kilometer. I can see the town, but I'm not walking there. I can't walk with my walking sticks because the bag that's on my right shoulder, my elbow keeps hitting the side of my bag. Using the bag as a bum bag didn't work. Too much weight on my hips. And now I have to carry both sticks with my left arm without swinging it. So I'm just a hot mess right now. So I'm glad we're only doing 13. We're a little over halfway there. Leon is a big town that's 2 days away. It's about 48 hours away for us. This is still, we're in the middle of the Meseta. She's gonna change out her shoes. And I'm just, like my collarbone here hurts. Yeah, just about everything hurts. Shoulder, my left shoulder pain is just there. I can't, just about any movement bothers me over there. So I'm thinking about, I have some options. I can discard this bag altogether and just walk with the fanny pack, or get one of those sling bags, just over the shoulder bags for the back. Right now it just hurts just holding this phone up, so I'm gonna use my other hand. I can ship this bag off to Santiago with some other things I don't need to carry or ship, but want to take home, like a pair of shorts that I'm so far not wearing at all. I hate to discard them, but they're taking up room in my other bag. Am I bitching? Hell yeah, I'm bitching. I'm cranky, almost to the point of like tears because of the pain in my shoulders. I got a pain here and then on the one on the back. So I made an appointment for a massage in Lyon, which is 48 hours from now. I saw the poster for this masseuse in the last albergue. It said, "Arrive to Santiago pain-free." I'm like, hell yeah, that's me. I'd like to do that. Would I just love to just bawl right now? Absolutely. I would just love to just go out in the center here and just have it out with the universe. But alas, I'm good. I'm gonna make it. So I think we have 5 more kilometers to go. She's changing out her shoes, and yeah, forza. Another thing, I do want to be like totally open with this video log. I want to show you the ups and the downs. This is very much a down And I don't care if people see me get misty or cry, because it's honest, right? And that's what it's all about, being honest with everybody, the universe, and yourself. Right. This Camino, I would get pull a groin, you know, because that happened on my last one, or get cramps in like the calves or foot, but shoulder blade, no, didn't see that coming at all.